Pilipinas Got Talent Performance Night, Pacor Grand Theater, Pilipinas. You want more? Okay, we will give you more. Itong next semifinalist natin, kahit malayo ang binahin niya para makapag-audition, sulit naman daw ang lahat ng kanyang pagod at hirap.
At nung auditions niya ay napahiga siya sa kanyang performance. Baka pwedeng pagod o jet lag, pero sa Hong Kong siya galing. Lapit na nun, di ba? Pero alam ko pagkatapos ng kanyang act, lahat napatayo at napahanga sa kanyang angking galing. Pinag-uusapan natin si Miss Rita Paraiso. Watch this.
Nung hindi pa ako sumasali sa Pilipinas Got Talent, nagta-travel na ako abroad just to support my son. Kasi I'm a single mom. Dito ako nagtagal sa Hong Kong kasi maraming opportunities. Hindi ako mabubuhay without music Pag tumigil ako, parang inagaw mo yung buhay ko. My life will be boring without music. Yung pagkanta talaga, parang it's my life. Gusto kong i-share sa lahat yung talent ko
Doing her version of a Patty Austin hit all the way from Hong Kong, please welcome Rita Paraiso.
So many quiet walks to take, so many trees to wait, and there's so much love to make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. Something's telling me it might be you. All of my life I've been saving love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more no one's ever heard before. And it's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. And I'm feeling a little just for you, yeah. All of my
Miss Rita wow, you get a
Miss
standing
Rita!
ovation from the judges.
Rita Paraiso.
Wow. Wow, I think narinig natin kanina you mentioned in your interview that you do have a son.
Yes.
How was it? What was the first thing your son said when he saw you on national TV?
He's very proud of me. And ang sarap ng feeling na ganun sinabi sa'yo ng anak mo yun.
At ang balita namin, ang anak mo, sumikat na rin sa eskwela.
Oo. Sinabi nga niya sa akin, Mom, everybody's asking me. Tapos tinatanong siya, ikaw ba yung ba yung mommy mo yung humiga, kumanta ng Through the Fire? Yun,
It's a very proud feeling.
yes, and nakakataba ng puso pag sinabi sa'yo ng anak mo yon.
And I'm sure he is very, very
Yes.
proud of you.
Alam mo,
Very-
Lolo Boy, Rita, first time ng PGT judges sa semifinals na nag-standing ovation para sa...
And you do deserve it.
Maraming salamat po.
Kaya naman pakinggan natin ang boss ng ating mga
Ang husay
judges.
mo kasi habang kumakanta ka, Rita, you could hear a pin drop here in PGT. Everybody talaga na mesmerized ng boses mo. You sang with soul, and ang pinaka yung ginawa mo dun sa piano, parang naalala ko si Michelle Pfeiffer sa Fabulous Baker Boys. Yung may ganun talagang drama na parang you can seduce all of us with your voice.
Salamat po.
Sai?
Napaka-professional ng tunog mo. Napakaganda ng outfit mo. At higit sa lahat, ikaw ay simbolo ng matatag na babae na napakagaling at napakahusay sa abroad, pero alam nila ikaw ay Philippine-made.
Salamat po.
Congratulations.
Sir?
Rita, paano ko ba sasabihin to na hindi ako kakantsawan ng katabi kong maganti?
No,
Sige,
we'll
boss.
allow you.
Sige, boss.
Pwede
Okay.
ba sabihin na pinaibig mo uli ako?
Wow!
Yeah, ay, nako. Yan naman pala yung sasabihin
Sir
eh.
FMG, silang hindi kakantsaw. Ako na lang. If you want Rita to make it all the way to the grand finals, just remember PGT space Rita. That's PGT space R-I-T-A. Rita, good luck sa'yo and good luck. Ha?
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Sa aming pagbabalik, ang pinakamalaking grupo natin for the season semifinals and our last semifinalist for this evening.
Sila ang El Gama Penumbra. They're next only here on Pilipinas Got Talent.
The official licensed apparel of Filipinas Got Talent. Pagcor Grand Theater at the Airport Casino Filipino, Parañaque City. Toric Mobile Phones. Cebu Pacific Air, the official airline partner of PGT Season 3. Baguio Country Club, the official residence of Filipinas Got Talent in Baguio City. Eurotel, the official residence of PGT 3 semi-finalists. Aquasoft Purified Drinking Water. Time to act. For ultimate hair loss treatment, use Ultimate Hair Grower Tonic. Feel the fine footwear by Joey Enriquez. Sleepworth, the Mattress Master. Mandaue Foam Furniture. Izu Parts Center, exclusive distributor of Joylong High Vans and High Gear Buses. The first and the original Renew Placenta. Stay young and stay white. Bong Villanueva Salon, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Erase Solution. Walter Zamora. Sterling Notebooks. Castle Peak Hotel Cebu City and Hotel Cagayan de Oro City. Albergo Hotel Baguio City. Park Lane International Hotel Cebu City. Waterfront Hotel Cebu City. For the most affordable authentic Chinese cuisine, King B. Waffle Time. Master Shomai. Minute Burger. Zagu. Tinapayan Festival. Laylam Shawarma.